Celebrate the beauty of nature by incorporating natural elements in your garden. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Use natural materials like wood, stone and rattan for furniture and decor pieces. Incorporate water features like ponds or fountains for soothing atmosphere and ambience the natural landscaping by working with exciting trees, plants and trees. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Incorporate functional accessories and to your garden decor to enhance both style and functionality and value. So like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Invest in your outdoor storage benches or ottomans to provide seating storage in one. Add a fire pit or outdoor heater for warmth and ambience or install a pergola or canopy for shade and shelter. With these simple yet stunning garden decoration ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and inviting occasion. Whether you are hosting a summer barbecue enjoying a cute evening under the stars and simpler spinning for morning coffee surrounding a nature. These tips will help you create a space that you will love really and own. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more tips and tricks, more ideas for garden. Personalize your outdoor space with adding art and decor that reflects your personality and style. Hang weather, resistant artwork, fences or walls, place sculpture of garden ornaments throughout your garden. Bring life of your color to your outdoor space with potted plants and flowers. Choose a variety of plants with these different shapes and size and texture to your visually interested. Arrange potted plants along pathways. So that's all today's video. You can see garden decoration ideas. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends. Thanks for watching.